Okay, magpapatuloy tayo. Kung mahilig ka rin sa mga ganitong klase ng content, ng mga videos na pinapanood, um,
A real planet. Moon was brought here 12,000 years ago. Our moon is in fact an artificial satellite. It is not a real planet. It can literally leave our orbit underneath its own power. According to the Andromedans, it was brought here from Ursa Minor, from a star system called Chauta, that had 21 planets in it.
diba meron silang mga
It
talagang
belongs to
pinagkukunan ng
17 planets
impormasyon
and
eh.
one of 4 moons.
Kung hindi ito totoo, diba?
Now, there are ruins all over it. The map is there. There are some pictures there. There's a lot more, which I don't have today. But it will be coming out. This is why the Apollo astronauts stopped going back. It's because there was somebody already there and they were told not to go back. This information's out there. Okay, our moon is 9.1 billion years old.
Eto, pakinggan niyo to.
9.1 billion years old. It is in fact older than the Earth. Okay, many of the materials that have been found on the moon, minerals, don't exist on our planet. The moon did not belong to part of the Earth. It was brought here, literally. Our solar system has 8 artificial moons in it. The moon was brought here 12,000 years ago.
Parang napanood ko sa longer video dito na parang yung moon natin ngayon is parang fake.